to get the door open. It was what I'd seen on YouTube. Luckily, the cable's not the right extension to unlock the door, so we can't get the cable out because unit's in the way and we don't have enough manpower to get the door out. But my dad has come up with a solution. The dad genius, he put a hole next to the previous hole, just 4 mils along, which allowed the overextended cable to fit snug and reopen the door. Legend! So we didn't have to take the door out, we didn't have to take the cable out. And if anybody's looking for the rear lock, here's the part code number, which I struggled to find. Have a fucking brilliant day.